Hi Stampin' friends, just some quick ideas this morning with the beautifully pinned designer series paper. It's one of the items you can choose for free with a $50 purchase during Sale-A-Bration, which lasts from August until the end of September. September 30th is the last day. These are the patterns that come in this paper, and you get an extra couple of sheets in this one. There are fewer patterns and more pieces of paper than we typically see in our designer series paper 12 by 12 packs. So you can see that there are nice florals, and then there are geometric, scallops, dots, and stripes, and these are kind of like as if they were drawn by hand mostly. So I wanted to show you a couple of different ways that I've used them, and I'm certainly not saying this is the best ways or the only ways. Pinterest is a great option when you're looking for ideas for cards. I have a Pinterest account and page, and I post all my things on there as well. So let's get started. First, I wanted to show you, I colored the scalloped page with blends markers. I used the soft succulent, the fresh freesia, so saffron or daffodil delight. I kind of used both on that, and then the light balmy blue. And I liked how this looked, and then I cut out some of the flowers from the larger print and imagined putting this on maybe with a black circle under it or something, and then just a little thank you tag at the bottom. Now this would be really cute with one of the color ribbons on there, maybe this this soft succulent that's our in color ribbon for this year. So maybe you could tie a little bow, and then there we are. Pop it on there like that for a little thank you card. I would probably add some bling on the side just to give it a little more style. And I think that this would make a nice, simple card that anyone would be happy to use or reuse. I don't know if I've mentioned to you, what I typically do is I have pre-printed Post-it notes, but you could use any Post-it note, and it just allows the card to be reused. So on the inside, I line it with a piece of white paper, and then I use my Post-it note to sign it and leave my message, and then that way that person can reuse the card again. So just something to think about on that. All right, so next up, I wanted to show you what it looks like. On that one, I colored the exact flowers. I colored the flowers. This one, I colored the background, and I think that is a really pretty look. And it could look really nice, layered perhaps on this, and then maybe stamp your sentiment in pool party and give your card, black on pool party and cut it out. Maybe this one even, black with pool party. And that would make a gorgeous card that is very simple to put together, but really cute. So a great way to use this designer series paper in the future. So there's that one. Okay, next, let's see here. Most of these also would look great layered on our thick white cardstock, thick basic white cardstock as well. I also wanted to show you real quick, and I have this, I'll have this video up for you soon. These are some pencil holders I made with this paper. On this one, I colored in all of this with our pretty polished pink and put our polished pink ribbon on it. And I think that this would make a really sweet gift for someone. Just one of those Vera Bradley pencils that I love. Down inside it, it's an easy paper. It takes a 6x7 piece of cardstock and some of our liquid mono multi green capped glue. Super quick. This one, same thing. I just put a pen and pencil inside it, and it's even faster because I didn't color this at all. So I'll have that up for you soon on YouTube. Of course, you can do any of these in the original color schemes, and just using black and white. I didn't think I needed to probably show you this, but white ribbon would be gorgeous on any of these, and you could use your whatever sentiment you're using, birthday, thank you, whatever, and pop that up on some glue dots and maybe add some of these matte black dots all around your sentiment to provide a cute and sweet little design on there. Just, you know, give it a little more emphasis. Finally, I wanted to show you the one that I colored extensively. I colored this one using the light fresh freesia, light polished pink, and light granny apple green. And this really made this pop a lot, I think. And then I was imagining putting this on here, and then I realized that I colored the centers in a purple instead of in a yellow. So in order to make that match what I was thinking, we have these in color, and look how many I've used. These are so useful. These are the in color iridescent gems, and they are so pretty. So what I was thinking is, I hope you can see this, I put the yellow dots in there, and that really gives it some extra shine and coordinates it with the paper. So with this one, I would probably add my sentiment. Might put my sentiment down on the bottom, and then I might go across underneath it with the fresh freesia ribbon, or maybe tie just a knot up at the top by the flower, and give it just a little extra, whatever you might want to say, I guess je ne sais quoi. There we go. To make it just have a little bit more pop. I would probably layer this under a punched piece of cardstock. Let's see what it would look like if I was thinking about using the oval punch, because we do have a limited number of punches right now, and I do like using punches, especially they're especially nice when you're doing a video. So there you can see, if you put your thank you maybe on this and had this beside it. I was also thinking that, you know, stamped it in on white. I was thinking that could be really pretty. This one doesn't fit, but it would need to be a smaller one. But I was thinking that could be a pretty look as well, and would really make the sentiment shine. So I hope that I've convinced you that this is a paper that you'll definitely want to choose, or a choice you'll definitely want to make for Sale-A-Bration. And I appreciate you all watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.